to 2023. And then we're going to put TikTok live. All right, I'm just taking notes on any coins that we do because I will be going. I'm going to use this footage later, so make sure that that is good. Right now, I'm looking at Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the entire sun of the market. It's been all retail here on the weekend. Per usual, nothing new under the sun as far as that goes. Man, on the weekly, Hedera, you guys know I love me some H bar. Top 3 for me was up over 30%. You love to see it. I'm not mad about it at all, not for a second. But that's crazy, man. On the month too, Hedera's up 60%. What's the biggest gainers of the month? Wow, there's only a couple coins that are even down on the entire month. That's why dollar cost averaging is just so important. I know it's boring. I know it's not sexy, all that, but that really is why it is so important because it'll just be grueling and just sideways just for a long time. And then boom, we're ripping on out of there. And there's no memos that are put out. Okay? This isn't the first time that it's done this. Just grueling and sideways. Like if you were here for the last bear market, we were basically the same price for 481 days. Grueling and sideways before ripping on out of there. Boom. Okay? Grueling and sideways before ripping on out of there. And this isn't even a major rally in comparison to, you know, can you teach me to trade crypto? Hello, thoughts on fetch.ai? No Niners, let's LGF. All right, so firstly, let's go right in the order. You guys are awesome. Firstly, I really don't even trade like that, to be honest with you. Of my portfolio, 90% of my entire crypto portfolio is just literally just accumulating. Dollar cost average, dollar cost average, dollar cost average. I'm buying a little bit every single week, regardless of price. Alvarado, what's up, Savage? What's up, my savages? How are you? Okay, so 90% of all of my portfolio is just accumulating, buying a little bit every week, whether it's a $1 or $10,000. Whatever it is for you, just buy a little bit every week. Now, beyond that, I have 10%. 10% of my portfolio is for trading. If you take that 10% and you make it a whole new pie, okay, of that 10% pie, and now it's a new whole pie, no more than 10% of that pie is on any given trade. And really, you want to be at like 5%, and I do no more. The maximum is 10x leverage, okay? Leverage, liquor, and ladies are the 3 things that'll mess up any good man or woman, okay? So that's the secret sauce. For the average Joe, the person what is going to make the most amount of money is by dollar cost averaging, okay? Now, if you do want to trade and follow those rules, that's what it is. You have to have rules that you do not break. And for me, they are as follows. Don't chase a loss. There's going to be losses, and that's that, okay? There's going to be losses. That's that. Don't get too high on the wins and don't get too low on the losses. You want to be even keel. Because if you can win a trade 4 or 5 times in a row, guess what? You can lose a trade 4 or 5 times in a row, and you don't want to be emotional about it, okay? The main thing that I look at when I'm trading is Fibonacci retracement levels, and I'm also looking at RSI. So like on Bitcoin, on the daily, we're getting a bit overheated. So at some point, I know that this is going to come back down. And I just take into account what the macro sentiment, like what is everybody, I go on Twitter, what is my grandpa telling me about crypto, what are they saying about crypto all over Twitter, what is Jim Cramer saying about Twitter, and you typically, if you do the opposite of that, you'll do A-OK. But mainly, the strategy is $2 cost average. That will be what makes you the most amount of money. What's up, man? Love your content. Can you give us a low cap gem that you are bullish on? My low cap gem that I am bullish on is Sauce. I think that Sauce can easily go to $1. Let's go to Saucer Swap. Okay. Currently, it is 3 cents. This has got as low as 1 cent. Okay. But if you go on the Saucer Swap Finance, they have all of their stuff that is actively, they give you all the stats. I can refresh this, and these numbers will change because they actively give you their stats. This is a decentralized application. Sauce is basically Uniswap for HBAR. Okay. So currently, right now, total value locked is $30 million. The market cap on Sauce itself is $11 million. When I started with this, it was $5 million. So by definition, this is a low market cap. Anything under 500 million, I would consider a low market cap. The circulating supply currently on Sauce is 329 million, and the maximum is 1 billion. So I have price predictions for HBAR of $2, maximum parabolic level, but I think that this can actually go higher. Like, easily could go to $1, maybe $5 or $10, just purely based on the fact that it is only 1 billion supply. And I think that HBAR is going to rock and roll. Anything that is associated with HBAR is going to do phenomenal. All right, Fetch.ai. Let's go. I know I went out of turn here. Yep. Okay, yep. All right, and then we'll do LGF. By the way, guys, I just got monetized on TikTok here. So if you guys want to help support me, I think it's like $2.99. You will obviously get priority. Not that you won't get your coins right if not, but if you want to help support your boy, if we can get that to 5 subscribers, that'd be dope. All right. ILLUVIUM. I think the first 5 I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do like a buy sell, like access to my portfolio, buy sell. Is that the only one? But I'm not a financial advisor either way. Okay, I'm a guy in his basement who likes financial freedom. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a savior, a messiah. That is not me. That is not what I am. I'm just a regular guy in his basement who likes to read charts and is emotionally intelligent to where I can do the opposite of what people do. When people say like, oh, I don't care what people think, it's like, no, actually, I don't care what people think. All right. How are your miners? What are you mining? I'm mining Flux and Ravencoin and Raptorium and Monero currently. That is the GPU, CPU mining farm update. I've been really enjoying Flux. Flux is the one that I'm bullish on long term as far as like the actual developers, the community. They're hitting their marks in the bear market when it's boring. So I'm excited about Flux as far as that goes. All right, automatic rally. Let me do this real quick and I'll get back to you. $220 on this one here. Retracement level, you're looking at $882. I would definitely take profit here. Maximum retracement level, you're looking at $1,200. if this thing wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, the absolute maximum Lambo wick candle, the max, okay, $6,200. Now, I personally would take most of my profit at the 702. At 1200, I would take a little bit, a 10-20% at the 1618, which would be 2800, 2780, and then I would take the pretty much the rest at the 2618. Personally, I would save about 5 or 10% for that Lambo wick, but the 2618 is 4,500. Invest to AGIX. Feet Alley. Is it safe now? I don't know. I don't invest into it. During the bear market, I've been consolidating on my top 10 coins, and that's all that I've been doing. Let's do... So I'd have to get an answer for you on that one. I'd have to do some research, but I don't know off the top of my head. Fetch AI. I feel like I just did. This one. Yeah. Wow, so she already blew past. Just rocketed past the automatic rally here. Looks like it's getting rejected in between the 236 and the 382. Likely, especially heading into the full moon energy. We're heading into the full moon energy, which is typically bearish energy. Typically, the bottom window, not always. It's just an idea to be open-minded to, that the window of energy of the market is bearish typically during full moons. Not always. It's not to the day. It's more like plus or minus 5 days, but we're heading into that energy. So probably likely for this one, going to backtest the 236 here. Either trade sideways or head up to the retracement levels at some point, probably in 2023. 45 cents. The fact that this thing got to the 236 in the bear market, like, that's a good sign. But the 0.5 retracement level is 45 cents. The maximum retracement level would be 62 cents. And the maximum parabolic level for this thing is $3. Now, this to me is a good place to go ahead and de-risk a little bit, especially if you were down here accumulating, dollar cost averaging. This is a good place to de-risk, okay? Because I mean, you're up like 200, a 2x. Anytime you double your money, like, at least take 5-10% off the table. That is my rule. But I think we're going to come back here to 24, 25 cents. Might be a good place to reaccumulate. All right. Ocean AI. Did I miss anybody first? Oh, yeah, I did. LGF. I don't see LGF, my man. Is it like a stock? Type whatever that ticker symbol is in the comments. I don't see it though. All right, we'll do Ocean AI. Could AI be the one? What is the ticker on this? Did I like it? Am I crazy? What's the ticker on Ocean AI? Why is it not coming up? Yeah, it makes my life easier if you guys type the is it just ocean? Am I crazy? My brain. This is it, right? Yeah, it's easier for me if you guys type the ticker along with the name. That makes my life easier. I think this is it, right? Let me go to CoinMarketCap. Why is it being weird? Ocean Protocol. That's the name. Okay. I was like, yeah. Okay, that's it right here. Cool. All right, Jasmine. We got Hoppy. I got you. All right. Again, same thing. The market's doing a lot of the same. Like if you were accumulating down here, like I was preaching the whole time, dollar cost average, dollar cost average. It's a good place to de-risk. Okay, we're getting up to the 0.5. Like we're wicking up to the 0.5, like very close. Like you're talking, you know what I mean? The difference between this and that is 5%. And in my opinion, 5% after you just had you know, after you just had a freaking 1.3x is potato. In my opinion, this would be a good place to de-risk because you're getting to the retracement level on this thing. So that is good to see. It could blow right through that 0.5. The 702 would be the next level. 618 really would be the next level at 45 cents. The 702 would be the strong like rejection point would be 50 cents. If this thing wants to go absolutely parabolic. Now, and I have this fib on a very conservative pull. I can put it on the the very bullish pull as well. $2.11 would be the max on this thing. The conservative max, I would say. Now let's pull this thing to the most parabolic. We're getting the same thing. We're getting to the automatic rally point. So again, it's going to be a rejection point here soon. Now it could blow right through here to the 236, which would be 54 cents. So 50 to 54 cents. So like that seems like a really attractive landing spot. But if you're up 1x already, it's good practice to just take 5 or 10% off the table. Now, the maximum parabolic bullish retracement level would be $1. The maximum of that on the 702 on the bullish Fibonacci pull, $1.37. If this thing wants to go absolutely, positively, unequivocally parabolic, we're talking. Ooh, look at that. $6.66. That's probably where it's going to go, actually. Because this is all run by the Illuminati. All right. So we got Hoppy, Jasmine. For H-Bar and Gala, what are your thoughts? Wait more or start accumulating? My thoughts are always accumulate. But if you're at a double, it's good practice to take 0.5 and just keep maintaining your regular dollar cost average levels. Just maintain your dollar cost average levels and go ahead and take 5 or 10% off the table if you're on a double already. Not financial advice. I think for H-Bar, my automatic rally point is 8.8 cents off the top of my head. I'd have to look at that. 8.8 cents is where I'll be taking 10% off the table. But I buy a little bit of H-bar every week. All right, let's do Hoppy for Yun. Yun's an OG, man. Yun was like one of the original 1,000 followers / subscribers. Yun's a real one. All right, same thing. Automatic rally. We're actually tried to fight to the 236, came back. We're now trading on top of the automatic rally. Beautiful W right here. Higher highs, lower, and the higher lows as well. So we'll probably same. My story is the same. If you're on a double, go ahead and take a little 5-10% off the table. Not financial advice. Keep dollar cost averaging. But we're probably going to make our way up to this 236 at $30. If she wants to just retrace, you're looking at $58. If she wants to maximum retracement levels, you're looking at $81. The maximum parabolic level in 2025 for this particular coin would be $399.48. All right, let's do Jasmine. Dot Link. Link's in my top 10. I love Link. Let's see here. Jasmine. Man, hopefully you guys were here. Dollar cost averaging, because I know you're up right now. So we got a way to go on the automatic rally. The automatic rally on this particular coin, you're looking at 2.1 cents. It is getting kind of overheated on the daily. Let's see what it's looking like on the weekly. Weekly, like, just way... We have a ways to go. So this thing will probably rip to the automatic rally sometime like February to April. It's probably going to go here like the 2-cent range, which would be like a 4x just to the automatic rally. Like, definitely you want to take profit here. Not financial advice. None of this is financial advice, guys. I'm a guy in my basement who likes to read charts and loves crypto. Who's obsessed with financial freedom. All right. Retracement level in 2025, because 90% of all cryptocurrencies will not make new all-time highs. Damn it. I haven't been writing these down. 9 cents. The maximum retracement level, 12.9 cents. And if Jasmine wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, my price prediction is 66 cents. All right. Let me go back and write some of these down. What did I say for Ocean? Whatever. I'll go back and watch tape on myself. We'll just keep writing them down from here on. So we got Dot, and we got Link. Dot to me is okay. I would call it medium or medium large. It's okay. Link, though, I really like Link. That's just me. Again, I made a video today. Don't be emotional. I have my automatic rally marked here, so I was obviously keeping my eye on it at some point. So it's right here, $9.62. We're getting a little bit overheated on the daily as far as relative strength, but we have a ways to go. Still at 44. If you look on the weekly on this thing, if it starts getting to like 60, 70, that's when you want to start thinking about, That's when you want to start thinking about taking a little bit off the top, for sure. So had a nice little rally for sure on DOT. Hopefully you've been dollar cost averaging, accumulating when your wife's boyfriend is saying it's going lower, Bitcoin's going to 10K, all that. Hopefully you were dollar cost averaging. And if you were, my friend, you'd be up. How much would you be up? 54%, which is amazing. 134 just the automatic rally. Retracement on DOT. 90% of all cryptocurrencies are going to retrace. They will not make new all-time highs, okay? I say that over and over and over and over again, and people are like, really, you think 90%? It's like, yeah, bro, there's 21,000 different cryptocurrencies. A lot of those are just, they're already dead. You know what I mean? I'm not saying that DOT is that, but I'm in the game of securing profits. There's going to be one person that gets the absolute top. I hope it's you, but probably not. So just in case, take profits. $26.69. The 702, which would be the maximum retracement level, $36. If DOT wants to go absolutely parabolic, 2025, $166.89. Let me write that down. 66. I should write down all of them, actually. Whatever. Hello, you savage. What's up, my savages? That's what I should call my that's what I should call my subscribers on here. The savages. You got like savagery tiers. API 3. That's good because someone else requested that in the comments on one of my videos. So I can clip this one. Oh, I didn't do link yet. Let me do link. That's what I'm going to call it. I'm going to tier out the savages. What level savage? Oh, man. Actually, I already have a link up here. I don't need to add another one. What level savage are you willing to be? Oh, man. 7-Eleven. You love to see it. That's your boy's birthday. 7-Eleven. $7.11. Now it's 12. Nice pump, but I mean, relatively, it's still sideways. Like, we're still ranging until this thing gets past $9.50. You know, up from the recent low, 35%. Automatic rally is probably right to this 200-week moving average, which would be right there at the 116 as well. And you're looking at about $11.75 to there. That would be the automatic rally. Automatic. If Link wants to just retrace, you're looking at $28. I hold Link. It's in my top 10, so I'll be taking a little bit of profit here. I'm not telling you what to do, but that's what I'll be doing. $28.79. The maximum retracement level is $38.13. Again, not telling you what to do, but I'll be taking a little bit off the table right here. If Link wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, my price prediction is $174. You heard it here first from Chet You Betcha. Okay. Yeah, I think if there's going to be a coin that's more likely to be in the 10% that's going to make new all-time highs, I think that Link is a good candidate, in my opinion. But what do I know? And even what I know, I'll still be taking profit at the retracement levels. Gala. I got you, my friend. API should be great, possibly better than Link. Time will tell. Time will tell. That's right. Because eventually, time tells all. All right, we'll do Phantom Aptos. I think, yeah, we'll do that. And then API 3 right now, right? Let me make sure I didn't miss nobody. Yep. Trying to go in order, y'all. API 3. $1.62. Getting pretty close to the automatic rally. Again, like the difference between what it's at right now and the automatic rally, you're looking at another like 10%. It's potato. If you were accumulating API 3 right here, congratulations. You're up 82%. You love to see it. So that's automatic rally, getting pretty close to it. Again, when I say my levels, for me personally, I'm not like trying to nail it on the head, be the perfect freaking trader. Because like here's the thing. Let's say I do a buy order at X stock at $100. And then I have my stop loss at $80. And then I have my take profit at $140. Okay, let's say it goes down to $93. You know what I mean? And then it goes to $150. You know, I still made 40% on that. But what you don't want to do is like try to just be like razor thin with your margins in a way that it's like you're going to get stopped out and you miss it altogether if you're not trading, if you're just accumulating and selling. You don't want to miss it. So that's why why I do it the way that I do it. I'm not trying to catch the all-time bottom or the all-time high, the very perfect minute and hour. Like I'm cool with just like crazy ROI. Automatic rally on this thing, retracement level, $5.32. The maximum retracement level on API 3, $7.06, which from here is another 3x. If this thing wants to go absolutely parabolic, you're looking at $32 according to the Fibonacci's. Now, big picture, who knows? That's just the next run. All right, we'll do, let me write that down, $32. What did I say? It's $32.73. Write it down. And then, like, if you, like for me, the coins that I like are my top 3, I'm going to hold 10, 20, well, I'm going to hold 20% forever. XRP, I'm holding 20% forever. Okay? So if I'm like dead ass wrong, it doesn't matter because I'm going to have 20% forever. You know what I mean? So if this is your high conviction stock where you'd place it in your top 3 or 5, that's good strategy. Almost a 25x. Is it? Yeah. 23x. Like, that's pretty damn good. Hey, by the way, speaking of, I'm going to do one off the cuff here, and then I'm going to go back to Phantom, Gala, ALBT. I'm going to just throw one in here real quick because Coinbase has a pretty cool thing going on right now. Not sponsored, not affiliated, none of that, but it's just something that I'm doing personally. And that's what I like to do. Like, what am I doing personally that can help you guys improve your life in any small incremental fashion? So, XLM. Right now, Coinbase has 4% cash back on XLM. Is that the right one? Where is my XLM? 4% cash back on XLM. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm loading up my debit card, my Coinbase debit card that I have. I'm loading it up with ACH transactions. They're free. They take 3 days to clear, but the money is actually available right then and there. I just tested it today. I had $0 on my USDC on Coinbase. I sent in $50 just to test it. It said 3 days, and I was able to spend it right then and there. But they're doing 4% cash back on XLM, which is pretty freaking amazing on any purchase. Again, this isn't sponsored. I'm not affiliated with Coinbase, and I don't recommend you hold any crypto there or any of that stuff. But if you're already going to spend stuff, like I'm already going to get gas, I'm already going to get food, I'm already going to do all that. It's like credit card churning, but you're getting crypto, but you're getting 4% cash back right now. But I have a parabolic price target on this thing of $2.78. So let's say like you sell most of it at $2, just conservatively, from right where we're at. That's a 25x. Basically, at 4% on a 25x, you're basically getting all your purchases for free right now. If that happens, if you wait until a 25x on your 4% cash back, whatever you spent, you'll have 100% of it back later. So, not financial advice, but if you're already going to spend stuff, like I already buy food for my family, I already spend gas, all that stuff. So that's what I'll be doing as long as they have that. And then, again, I always advocate don't store your crypto on the exchanges. Use the exchanges to exchange your crypto into fiat. But that's a little I just sold my XLM, put it into ADA and HBAR. I'll probably buy back though. Hey, yeah, that's what it's all about, man. DCA all the way. I like XLM. I like XRP way more. If I could get 4% cash back on XRP, that's what I would do instead. However, XLM, I still have a price target of, like conservatively, this thing's going to go to like 120, in my opinion. So, yeah, that's a way of getting free XLM on stuff that you're already doing. You're already going to buy food. You're already going to get gas. You're already going to get your hair cut, whatever. Just something to think about, y'all. Like I said, I don't get any money from that. I'm not sponsored, not affiliated, none of that. I am affiliated with Uphold, but I haven't even shared my link yet. After my video went viral on how to buy XRP, it got like 100,000 views. They reached out to me, so I do have an affiliation with them as of after. It's like a week ago, but I haven't even posted my link yet, so I'll probably do that sometime in the future, but I don't know. All right, let's see. But I use Uphold. I've used Uphold for years. I'll never, ever, 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 ever recommend you guys anything that I do not do myself. So that's my goal. Anyways, so let's go back to Phantom. Oh yeah, I made a video. I made a TikTok on this one. I remember because I did like Danny Phantom. I did like the Danny Phantom. I did the Danny Phantom. Why is that one different? Oh, it's not. Okay. The Danny Phantom theme song. Danny Phantom, he was just 14 when his parents built a very strange machine. GRT. Yeah, that's kind of where I'm at with it. That's why I sold it, because I have XRP. Yeah, that's kind of how I feel. Like, they move together. It's not like you're hedging one against the other. If XRP doesn't win, then guess what? Guess who's next? XLM. So they're tied together. So you don't really need either one of them. But that is the highest cash back, and I do like XLM. All right, so again, Phantom, we're getting to the automatic rally. again, you're talking another 5% to the upside. If you've been accumulating in this whole sideways grueling action, you're up 122%. You love to see it. Anytime, this is my rule, you don't have to adopt this, but this is what I do. Anytime I double my money, which that is a 100% gain, that's a 1x, I take a minimum of 5% off the table. And if I think it's a dog crap coin, which I'm not saying that that's what Phantom is, but if I'm holding something that is like dog doo-doo, I'll do more. All right, automatic rally on this thing, 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, $1.60. Again, 90% of all coins are only going to retrace. Keep that in mind. The maximum retracement level, $2.21. If Phantom wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, my price prediction is $10.77. Let me write that down. I'm keeping a log of these things too now because I have so many freaking coins that I'm looking at. I only hold like 10 different coins right now. And I'm really only even stacking like 5 different coins right now. 6. So I'm just focusing on my top 5, top 10. And then when we get into the parabolic levels again, that's when you take some of your profits and roll it into some more risky stuff, in my opinion. Okay. Gala. Did I skip? No, yeah. Gala. Gala, I think, is the best gaming coin. I'll say that. I think Gala has the best gaming coin. Again, we're getting really close. I have it marked out right here. Some of you guys have been like hanging out with me for a while, and you probably remember when I put these lines. And look, here we are. We're getting, we're getting right there. It's hard to just when everything is just negative and there's blood in the air and there's just your grandma is just telling you you're an idiot. It's hard to like really feel like it's going to rally and this will never end, but here we are. We're getting right up there to this retracement level on Gala, which is 6 cents. Gala, it was up like 150%, I think. 241% from the bottom. That's freaking crazy. In the bear market, like, come on, bro. Do you know how long it would take you to get 241% in the stock market? And I like the stock market. I own stocks, I own dividends, all that stuff. But if you get 12% in the stock market, you're murdering the game. You're murdering the game if you get freaking 12% in the stock market. It would take you the rule of 72. Let's see here. 72 divided by 12. It would take you 6 years to double. So it would take you 12 years of 12% to get 200%. And then it would take you another like 2 years to get 240%. And by the way, if you guys don't know what the rule of 72 is, the rule of 72 is you take 72, divide it by your ROI, and that is how long it will take you to double in years. That's how long it will take you to double your money, because really money is just a game of doubling. Okay? I'm about to drop some knowledge on you guys before we get in these. All right, money is just a game of doubling. So if I have $1,000, right, I'm 9 doubles away from $1 million. Okay? You can check my math on that, but I'm 9 doubles. I need to double 1,000 from 1,000 to 2,000, 2,000 to 4,000, 4,000 to 16,000, 16,000 to 32,000, 32 to 64, 64 to 128, so on and so forth. 256, whatever. You're 9 doubles away from $1 million. Okay, so that's Formula 1 is how many doubles are you from your goal? That's equation number 1. equation number 2 is how long is it going to take you to get there? Well, you can figure that out if you know what your ROI is. Let's say your ROI is 12%. It will take you 6 years to double. So if you had $1,000, it would take you 6 years. It would take you 54 years to have $1 million from 1,000. Now, is $1 million worth $1 million 54 years from now? Probably not. But at least you know what the formula is, and you can figure that out. Okay? That's a good little clip too. Because I don't just talk about crypto. I don't just know about crypto. Like, crypto is my main thing that I think has the highest upside. But I like silver. I have real estate. I have rental properties. I'm in the stock market. I do dividends. All that. It's an and world for me, not an or world. But there you go. All the fundamentals of finance are the same. They're the same for real estate. They're the same for crypto. And that's why I say, like, very basic fundamental things, dollar cost average, because that is the formula that works across all. All right. Back to Gala. Thanks for attending my TED Talk, guys. Back to Gala. Retracement level is 42 cents. That would be the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. The 702 level is 59 cents. Top 5, I got you, my friend. 59 cents would be the maximum retracement level. If Gala wants to go absolutely parabolic, $3. $3 make you hollers. All right, Gala. All right. I was averaging Gala under 4 cents. My man. Yeah, I know you've been here, man. You've been hanging out with me. I appreciate you too. But yeah, like, dollar cost average over enough time and you will win. That's it. Because here's the thing. I got silver. We got some silver in my pocket. I keep a little silver coin on me, okay? Here is the thing. 1 ounce of silver, this is actually 2 ounces of silver, equals 1 ounce of silver. Okay? 1 Bitcoin equals 1 Bitcoin. The thing, though, is that $1 does not equal $1 over time. You see what I'm saying? In 1971, $1 now equals $94 today. Or is actually the reverse. It equals 6 cents today of buying power. So once you understand that, $1 does not equal $1 over time, but 1 ounce of silver does equal 1 ounce of silver regardless of how much time. 1 Bitcoin equals 1 Bitcoin regardless of how much time goes on. Eventually, the dollar will go to zero at some point, whether it's in my lifetime, my kid's lifetime, my grandkid's lifetime. It will go to zero at some point. It basically already has went to zero because we've lost 96% of the purchasing power since 1971. So it's basically already went to zero. It's like you're looking at it like it's a shit coin and it's already went down 96%. You're like, damn, that's tough. Except it's not going to have a bull run and it's not going to rally to the Fibonacci retracements. That's not going to happen for the US dollar. Notice any partners with QNT has been doing excellent. LCX have a 3X this month. So I know QNT is partners for sure with Oracle. There's a whole list of others, and the Overledger technology is amazing. LCX, ALBT, I think are all amazing. Anytime you 1X or more, take a little bit off the top. Top 5 coins for me personally: XRP, QNT, HBAR, Bitcoin, Ethereum. That's my top 5. Because the thing about it, I don't even like Bitcoin the most, but I understand, and I'm not emotional about my team versus this team, that Bitcoin is the entire market. and it's going to move first. So you can have, and also Bitcoin is going to come down the least. So the first three rules of investing are don't lose money, don't lose money, and don't lose money. So your downside protection is higher on Bitcoin than that of something else. So that's why it's in my top 5, especially in the bear market, because what you're going to see before the next bull market, you're going to see the Bitcoin dominance really go up, and they're going to rotate from like these really, really, really small coins back into Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin dominance is going to go up. So that's why it's in my top 5, especially in the bear market. I don't think that Bitcoin is the top 5 technology. However, it is top 5 energy, and it is the genesis. So you got to respect it for that, in my opinion. Best AI crypto, please. In my opinion, honestly, it's HBAR, because I think HBAR has, although HBAR is not directly an AI coin, it has the foundation and the blockchain with Hashgraph technology that enables AI to be built on top of HBAR, because the scaling of HBAR is infinitely better than almost anything, really. And the Hashgraph technology, the way that they communicate with each other, I think is a perfect blockchain for AI. That's something that is exponentially, I mean, if you really think about AI, what is like AI really? It's something that, it's artificial intelligence, which is exponentially getting smarter and smarter and smarter. So it needs something that's fast, large, scalable. So HBAR, in my opinion, is the best AI coin because of what it's going to be built on, in my opinion. Litecoin. I got you, my friend. Let me make sure I didn't miss anybody. I think GRT. Okay, yeah, Litecoin. My holdings are large cap, but I'm trying to find one more mid to low cap that has potential. Okay, I'll give you my low cap gems as well. That's my top 5. I have a couple that I'm accumulating that are low cap. For me personally, and I'm not telling you guys what to buy. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is my top low cap gems. Flux is my number 1 low cap gem, and it is because there's real development going on in Flux, as well as the mining wars. Somebody's going to win these mining wars. Like, the miners aren't just going to go lie down and roll over. There's going to be another coin that takes over as far as that. There's always going to be proof of work versus proof of stake, and that will always be that. So somebody has to win that war. There is like, their king has fallen, so they need a new king, and I think Flux is the most likely in order for that, as well as Ergo. Ergo would be another mining king, if you will. But Flux isn't just proof of work. 25% of their node is rewarded via proof of stake as well, and they have other sort of validators. Like, their block reward is very, very unique. So I like Flux. That's a low cap gem. To me, Sauce from Saucer Swap is the other low cap gem that I'm really, really bullish on. So those are three that you could look into. Which crypto do you think can do more X in the bull run? Out of which ones? Are you thinking, like, are you asking me which one has the most upside potential? Because the way that I look at it is not only upside potential, but downside risk. Right? Like, what's the likelihood that this thing is going to go to zero? Because a lot of them will at some point. So if you incorporate upside potential as well as downside risk, I would say XRP, HBAR, and QNT. or have the most upside potential with the least amount of downside risk? Oh, Litecoin. Litecoin. I don't think I've done Litecoin, which is kind of crazy. Like, out of all the requests, $88. Out of all the requests, Litecoin hasn't been one of them. It's kind of crazy. Oh, that's pretty crazy, actually. All right, I just wanted to see where we're at on time. So we bounce. So it already had a retracement in November, all the way back to the 702. I remember when this was happening. Yeah, I remember Litecoin was absolutely ripping, and I think it was ripping with Ethereum Classic at the same time. So it already came to the 702, came all the way back down from that, down 72% from that point, came back up almost a 2x, coming back down again 85% from that point, down overall from the tippy top 91%. So yeah, Litecoin's probably done going down. Maybe it goes a little bit lower, but I don't think so. I think Litecoin is probably done going down. It looks like this is about the automatic rally point. It can rip through this. Like, I think I was on here the other day and I was saying this is the automatic rally point, and it just ripped right through it. So that could happen. If it does, the next point would be $122, and it's already up 1.1x. Like, that's freaking crazy. You love to see it. For Litecoin, the 0.5 level, what is it? $216 would be the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. The 702 retracement would be $287, which is pretty. What is that? That's a 2x from current price. And the maximum parabolic level for Litecoin would be $1,300, which I don't know, man. I think Litecoin's, maybe it'll happen. Hopefully, for your sake, I hope it happens, but I don't think so, man. To be honest, I'm not really excited about Litecoin anymore. But maybe anything is possible. That's why I always tell each level. I always tell the retracement levels, the automatic rally level, and the parabolic levels. I will say Litecoin is directly tied with Dogecoin, because if you don't know, Dogecoin is a fork from Litecoin. So, and there's actually Litecoin miners, or sorry, Dogecoin miners, which dual mine Litecoin at the same time. So any of the Doge like fan club, they might have some liquidity into Litecoin as the more like stable Doge, if you will. So that could be like some narratives for Litecoin. But me personally, I would take most of my profit at the 702 level. Luna Classic. Luna Classic is a hard one to judge. I'll just say that right now. I think I have it on here. The chart is very difficult to read on Luna Classic, but I will do my best. Because when you see this, like, this is hard to this is hard to judge what's next after you see this. That's why I picked it. I honestly, like, for me, like, I wouldn't touch it. can you make money? But this is gambling now. This isn't, you're not investing in crypto, in my opinion. That's interesting. So on the daily, on the RSI, getting high-ish, getting higher highs, higher highs, and higher lows. Jesus, if I could speak, if I could articulate my words. Higher highs and higher lows on the RSI here. So that's like an uptrend, but that's just on the daily. Really, like, it's still just like dead as hell on here. On the weekly, all right, so I could do like very bullish, but I'm not going to. I'm going to do a bearish bull. I'm going to do a bearish bull pull. So this would be a very conservative pull, okay? The automatic rally. This is why I hate these, because would be 0.0003. 3335. Okay, and from right here, you're looking at 70%. Now, the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement for Luna Classic would be 00126. Okay, which is a 5x. The 702 is 0017, which from the bottom is an 18x. Freaking insane, dude. From current price, 8.88x. All right, the maximum retracement level on the bearish pull, the conservative pull, is 0088. Okay, that would be the parabolic conservative level, which would be a 41 freaking X. That's insane. All right. All right, we got Flow. Your boy Ski, I know you're a Browns fan, but who dey, baby? You know, I'm going to root for the the Bengals in the Super Bowl. If you believe in the Matrix, if you believe we're in the Matrix, I'm going to tell you guys who's going to win. Just off of pure, like, decoding, okay? If we're in the Matrix, this is your decoded Super Bowl winner. It's the Eagles, okay? We're in the year of 2023, and that's like it links to Zeus, and it links to lightning and eagle and all this other stuff. And I'm telling you, if you believe in the Matrix, just off of pure decoding, the Eagles are going to win the Super Bowl. So you heard it here. You heard it here first, all right? How do you buy sauce? Is it on MetaMask? My friend, you buy sauce on saucerswap.finance under HBAR. You use the Hedera network on Hashpack. I have full videos on my YouTube channel on liquidity mining. I have multiple videos. I have at least 5 videos on my YouTube channel on liquidity mining with SaucerSwap. But this is the website right here, saucerswap.finance, and I use it to liquidity mine. Which you get like 101%. I only do the stuff that I'm holding. I don't do none of this. I do like HBAR to USDC, 70% right now. This changes every day. But I have full videos on my YouTube channel on how to do this. But this is how you do it. And you're rewarded in sauce, passive income. You can even do like HBAR to HBAR-X, which is HBAR-X is staked HBAR. Get 12% on that. You're rewarded in sauce. So that's how you get sauce, my man. I have videos on my YouTube channel, at least probably 5 videos. I have a whole playlist, Saucer Swap playlist. So I have multiple videos on that, on showing how to set this up and earn passive income on your crypto. All right, Flow. All right, let's see here. We'll do Flow. It doesn't look good, bro. Not looking good. Yeah. Filecoin. Didn't I just do Filecoin? No, I didn't. All right, we'll do Flow. And make sure I didn't miss anything. Yeah, I'll be rooting for the Bengals, but I think it's gonna be the Bengals and the Eagles, just purely off of decoding. Okay, because we came out of the year of the Tiger last year. 2022 was the year of the Tiger, and now we're going into a different 2023. All right, Flow. Flow. Do I have another one? Yeah. $1.96. Automatic rally on this thing. Let me just put a little. $4.23, which from current price, you're looking at 2.7x, almost a 3x. You love to see it. ESO, I got you. Retracement levels, 0.5, $20 and $21, call it. Yeah, $21. The maximum retracement level, $29.24. If Flow wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, $152. Let me write that down. Flow, 152. All right, let me make sure. I think Filecoin. Yeah. All right. Filecoin, I have it right here. $17.77. The automatic rally, 0.5101. The maximum retracement level, $137. I would take a good bit of profit here, especially because how this thing did this. Like this, to me, like if I were to pull a fib off of this, I bet you this would be at the 0.5 level right here. Let's see. Let's not guess, huh? Yep. The wick is above it, but the body is below it. So this is basically the 0.5 fib. And this isn't even a clean chart. So this could go into a prolonged sort of crash, retrace, reaccumulate, crash, retrace, reaccumulate. Same way that XRP did. No new all-time highs. So I would take profit at the 0.5 fib on Filecoin, $98. Well, yeah, $98. 138 for the 702. If this thing wants to go absolutely parabolic, though, $713. That would be the maximum. The max, bro. That's the max. 713. All right. SO, and then we'll do. Yeah. I don't think I can do this one, my man. So this is I can show you how much ETH it will print, but it doesn't. There's no US dollar. Let me double check that. Yeah, this is a hard one to do because I can't. There's no U.S. dollar on this one. No U.S. dollar on this one. But if you want to do another coin, if you type another coin, I'll do that one for you. This one's gonna be. It's gonna be too weird to do. All right. Aria. I got you. A. Uh, 19 cents currently. Woo! Man, oh man. You hate to see it. Yeah, this thing is beaten down. It's down 99.49%. All right, so for this one, I'll give you like a bullish level, but whenever I see this, like, this leads me to believe that there's a good chance it's only going to retrace. So I'm going to do like a, from this level as well. All right. So automatic rally on the, yeah, and it's already has conflicting points right here. So I would lean more towards the bearish level or the bearish pull, which is going to be the first one. Automatic rally bearishly $2.28. The 0.5 Fibonacci would be $7.59. The maximum retracement level $10.69. The maximum parabolic level on the conservative side $53.72. Write those down. 0. Oh, he went to 0. Alright, let me delete that. Retracement level on this one would be $16. This would be the max, okay? The most bullish case scenario. I would lean more towards the bearish case scenario, the conservative. But maybe hold 10% for the bull case. $24.19. Maximum parabolic level $125. That would be the maximum, bro. The max. That's the max, bro. That's the max. All right. GRT. Look at that. She already came up to the 0.5 on the initial fall. Came back down again. Crash, retrace. Reaccumulate, crash, retrace. Would be the next level. Automatic rally. $0.03 on the button. Oh, I'm sorry, 30 cents. 30 cents. Which is a nice 3x. If she wants to come back to the 0.5 level, 132. The maximum retracement level, $1.89. If GRT wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, $9.44. All right. All right, you guys. I think I'm going to get off here now. I got to go to work tomorrow. So I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Make sure you check out YouTube channel. Subscribe to that. All my links are in my description. VRA. All right, I'll do one more. Last one. Links are in my description. Make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel. The first 5 subscribers on here, on the sort of like Patreon badge, are going to have access to my portfolio, buy, sell. Anytime I buy or sell something, you guys are going to get notified on that. And you will have priority on these little live streams, which I'm going to at least be live streaming 3 times a week moving forward. Minimum 3 times a week. I'm going to try to do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Maybe like some Sundays. I'm not sure. I'm still working on my rhythm, but I'm definitely going to be doing that. VRA. Damn, that's crazy. This thing already got to the all-time high. What is this one? Let me grab a couple of these. All right, here we go. Is this the right one? All right, VRA is the last one. I will be live streaming on YouTube tomorrow for sure. Let's see here. Automatic rally, we're getting pretty damn close to it. Yeah, like literally potato at this point. If you were like accumulating down here, you'd be up 2.5x. Hopefully you were. Beyond that, VRA, the 0.5 level for VRA is 4.2 cents. If she wants to go, the maximum retracement level for VRA, 5.8 cents. And if she wants, I said 5. Yeah, 5. If she wants to go absolutely parabolic, 2025 price prediction is 29 cents. VRA. All right, you guys. Make sure you check out my YouTube channel if you're not already subscribed. Drop that follow. Subscribe on here. Like I said, the first 5 subscribers are going to get access to my portfolio buy, sell. Anytime I buy or sell, you will know. You will have priority on these live streams. Everyone is going to get them, though. But I appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys for hanging out with me. I'll be on here tomorrow on YouTube. And, yeah, comment your videos and all that stuff. Peace, love, prosperity, God first. God bless. I'm out.